Welcome back. Today we will talk about diagonal spreads. I recommend that you review the videos on vertical spreads and calendar spreads that are the basis for this topic. The diagonal spreads are a mix of vertical and calendar spreads because they are built using option contracts on different strikes and expiration dates. They too can be debit spread or credit spread, depending on the overall premium paid or collected. Let's move on and examine the risk profile of a diagonal call spread. In this example, we buy a long-term call far from the price. Strike 1040 with 160 days to expiry. And, at the same time we sell a short-term call closer to the price. Strike 1000 expiring 40 days. With this strategy we try to combine the advantages of calendar spreads with vertical spreads. On one hand, we want to make money from the different time decay of the two calls. The shorter-term option loses value quicker than the long-term. On the other hand, this strategy has also a small directional behavior, since we sold a strike closer to the underlying price and we covered it with a more distant long call. The risk profile resembles a call credit spread. That is a bear call. This strategy takes advantage of a decrease or sideways movement of the underlying and a lowering volatility. Therefore, we want to build this strategy after a sudden movement of the underlying price, maybe due to a specific event. This movement produces a sudden increase in volatility of the short-term options and prices. So, we may want to trade the situation that follows. Swing movements, or even a small reaction typical of retracements, and the subsequent realignment of the volatility curves of the two expiration dates. The exact opposite is represented by the put diagonal spread. This is built by selling a put at a strike closer to the underlying price and expiration, and hedging it by buying a put at a lower strike and with more days to expiration. In this case, also, we will benefit from the direction of the trend, as well as from the decrease in implied volatility and from the greater time decay of the short option. On the other side, if we expect an increase in short-term volatility, we have to build opposite strategies. Instead of selling the short-term option, we will buy it. Instead of buying the long-term option, we will sell it. This will make the risk profile look like put or call debit spreads. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.